Hello everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. We are doing January Part 3 or 2025 for Patreon, looking at D&D and Warhammer proxies, and also figures as well. If you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon and Discord down below, and links we'll be looking at will be down below as well. So we got Dragon Lake miniatures. This is Warhammer proxies, a lot of things as well. I don't like looking at videos too much, but we got goblins wearing the uh, stuff from the Chaos Dwarves. A lot of sets here as well. Looks like it. We got a giant Chaos Dwarf Golem or a giant, but we have a lot of goblins that you might need for your game. For the old world, looks like it for this, but I think you can proxy it down for your Age of Sigmar as well. Please check them out. And let's see. Next one is STL miniature. This is for D&D. If you have trouble looking for a lot of terrain pieces and pieces for your game, this might be it for you guys. So we have, which one is this one? Saddle maker set. So you have the whole saddle maker set and the people that works there, the merchants and stuff like that. Then we got a heroes riding on a dinosaurs. I think that's supposed to be a raptor or that one. I don't know. I know this one, but I forgot the name of it as well. So if you have going on an adventure and you have a dinosaur mount, this might be good for you as well. And we also got basilisks as well. And yeah, basilisks are nasty, nasty, nasty creatures in many ways. But yeah, it's pretty cool. And yeah, that'll be it. They have a lot of cool stuff for you guys to do. We also got this old man wizard as well, but they also got a lot of cool stuff. Like December, you got I think this is the carpet books and tools, a magic carpet vendor. So they have a lot of stuff for like market and stuff around towns or on the road and so forth. Maluboria, I don't know if it's still alive. I think yeah, December 30th, January pause. So it looks like we're not having January for Malaboria. Looks like he's working on some type of Skaven for a lot of the stuff. So you probably see that in February if you need more Skaven armies for your games. Titan Titan Troll miniatures, another D&D type figures as well. Oh, they got the Advent Penguin. So they got the Advent calendar out from last month. I don't think we actually looked through this as much, but I'm trying to see if they have the January one. So the December, November release. So nothing came up for January. So check them out later on down the week and see if they have anything that you might be interested in. Fantastic Planet Rock. They switched. Used to do a lot of miniatures. Now they do a lot of terrain pieces. This was December ones for all the terrain pieces they could roll all around for like $3.90. I don't say anything for January yet, but go check them out. He might release it throughout the week. Daybake Miniature, another D&D one for this. Looks like we're having like dinosaur folks. So we have the long neck. A lot of dinosaur folks are bipedal. So that's kind of cool. That's why I'm going to print for Ashley as well, so that she's doing a dinosaur campaign in many ways. So we got some dwarven busts, and we got a lot of those. They should have a lot more for it. This is the barbarian one, but yeah. Val Victus miniature. This is also D&D and Warhammer proxy for your guys' game. This is a New Year one, so it looks like you're going to get a lot of miniature for this year for it. And for this December, January, looks like getting a zombie horde. Trying to see if you can look through the zombie horde. A lot of stuff you'll be able to find out, but I'm surprised they didn't release what the zombie horde will look like. I'm guessing you got a couple of these and a couple of these guys as well. Probably use the Cursed City from Warhammer 40K as some of the proxy pieces as well, or use doing some kind of D&D game, probably from like let's see here, Stockholm Home. I forgot that vampire D&D module. Strahd, one of the Strahd games for it, but it looks pretty good. Raven miniatures, another proxies for D&D or Warhammer. I don't know what December. We got November, but I don't think we got December. I think it's taking a break for it. Sacro Mundos, another terrain pieces. These are intricate, mostly works well with filament prints because these are actually very huge prints. So if you have like a Cobra 2 Max like I do, you have no problem printing it. I don't think a lot of these bases will fit in my Max Pro unless you break it up like this and glue it all together at once for your game. But we got some ruins and stuff that you might want to have. Looks like most likely like Greek style. My goal is to see this in 40K terrain pieces for your for your battles as well. That might help out throughout a lot of the things you can do. You see some battle damages. That's actually pretty good. And you got some actual solid buildings as well. The Dragon's Rest. They've been going over a lot of stuff for it. I know we got the Colosseums and the rotation thing as well. I think they're adding more and more stuff to the building. This is like a terrain piece as well. Actually, module terrain piece. You can actually build it however you like it and however you want your campaign to be. This is actually pretty good stuff as well. And they actually snap together. They have these little pegs and so forth. Codex Universal. I think this is Blood Bowl proxy. If you're looking for a Blood Bowl type of game, it's April 2020. Looks like they're not there anymore. Okay, Pug Miniature. This is another Blood Bowl, I believe, as well. January. Yep, you got some Iron Dwarves for your Blood Bowl game. I do want to actually get some Blood Bowl miniatures from Warhammer and paint some, but no money, no mas. Avatar of Wars, that are Warhammer proxies. For this, I think we're getting Mall Banner Legendary Loyalty. I think that's for like 3 months or more if you subscribe to them. And this is looks like vehicles that you'll be able to use in, I believe, Old World or basically Age of Sigmar. I don't know for a fact. A lot about goblins and orcs in Warhammer. I have a few armies, a handful of them. I never actually delved much into it, but this might be it if you need some more orcs and goblins in your campaign as well. A lot of these looks like they're Age of Sigmar style with a square base. I think it's Old World. Yeah, it must be Old World for a lot of these things. G Sculpt Art, another figure. See my big friend. Sculpting, that's for December. I don't know what's going to be for January for it, but you can go check them out as well. Drunken Dwarf. Hopefully they're not. Are they still paused? Yep, they're still paused. Looks like it from August. So we're going to cancel that. My 3D Print Forge. If you like World of Warcraft style 3D prints for your miniature games, this must be it. So we got some freaking Dreadnought and a Draenei, some demons. I think a Syndragosa. Forgot which one this one was. We got some Blood Elves. Forgot what these were called. But yeah, they're also demons as well. So Satyr. Yeah, I forgot Satyrs. If you're interested in that. Hell Creator. We get 5 miniatures, and you get 5 miniatures for the previous month. So the first one is the Lizardman from Spider-Man. That actually looks pretty good. This is January, so we got Withers that's coming up. Indiana Jones. I forgot the guy, the King of Gondor name from Lord of the Rings. And this is the girl from Mass Effect. So this is the five you're gonna get, and that's Fridays for it. But there is a lot of stuff that's happening. It looks like we got some February ones as well. Well, anyhow, I hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord. Thank you guys very much. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.